Let's dive right into mastering the wild new compliance requirements of BEEP's Pillar 2. Get this. Pillar 2 will levy an estimated $275 billion in extra taxes every year. It's the biggest international tax shakeup in a century, impacting over 10,000 multinationals. Manual translations and messy emails, huge risk. You absolutely need a unified, automated tax engine now. Enter the Orbitax Global Minimum Tax solution. It turns that massive burden into one totally streamlined workflow. Let's walk through this journey, going from initial data collection straight to final electronic submission. It pulls data seamlessly right from your financial systems, slashing manual entry and dodging those costly errors. Plus, it directly integrates with OneSource tax provision and over 90 ERPs for one-click validation. The Executable Actions tool is the core engine here, giving your team total control over custom workflows. This engine flawlessly runs complex calculations, applying both OECD model logic and hyper-specific local rules. Crucially, it constantly monitors and updates tax rules across over 190 jurisdictions worldwide. Orbitax then leverages those calculations to automatically populate your Globee information return with every required data point. The filing manager eliminates all that grueling manual work by mapping data directly into local compliance forms. Since authorities are going digital, Orbitax spits out exact XML schemas for direct end-to-end e-filing. You can also instantly generate reports contrasting those OECD baselines right against nuanced local rules. And the tracker? It manages all critical ancillary stuff, like local registrations and QDMT payment deadlines. Auditors get a completely transparent drill-down interface. Every single calculation links right back to the source data. The Workspace module lets central and local teams securely verify adjustments globally. Real-time alignment is an absolute lifesaver. Looking ahead, the platform unlocks powerful multi-year scenario planning for massive business growth or restructuring. There's even a built-in Microsoft Power BI dashboard, visually summarizing scenario comparisons and year-over-year changes instantly. By unifying these fragmented processes, your team can replace total chaos with real-time visibility and absolute control. Which leaves us with one crucial question. Can your current tools actually survive this massive tax overhaul?